What is going on, guys? Anders Larsson here, and today I want to talk about a service called Product Explorer. And this service has a database with extensive data on over 70,000 product launches. But before I show you this video in a couple of minutes, there is a little tip I would like to share. So before 2019, when I started this channel, I didn't know this, and it is very useful if you are doing online marketing. So it is usually easier to make $1,000 than it is to make $100 10 times. Think about that for a second. That is where low ticket and high ticket products come in. It is important to know that not all products have great value, and if you are selling a low ticket product, and especially if you are using paid traffic, you need to have a strategy to afford the money it will cost using paid traffic. So if you use low ticket products, it is much harder to get sales to make a total of what you would do with a high ticket product. So how many products have you sold that ended up costing you more money than you made? Back in 2019, I experienced a lot of failures with low ticket products, and I had just started affiliate marketing and I wasn't getting the results I hoped for. I thought that low ticket clickbank products would be the key to my financial freedom, but I couldn't have been more wrong. Not only did I not achieve the success I hoped for, I ended up losing more money than I anticipated. It wasn't worth it in the end. Despite being here for a while, with very few, if any, results, I met someone who had real success in her business. I was inspired to do what she did and made the decision to use the same solution that had brought her to so much success. So this is a system called Legendary Marketer. I don't know if you have heard of it, but it was founded by Dave Sharp, and I can proudly say that my investment was worth every penny. The biggest return I got from this investment was actually not the money, but instead the understanding or the formula on how to make money. I had access to valuable digital marketing training and a personal coach. And from that training, I educate myself. I get bits and pieces, which I now give to people on a daily basis in my videos. I will go into more detail about how it works at the end of this video and show you how to get started. I will also reveal how you can access my free video training if you are interested. Now I will hand over control to Heidi that will talk about this service, and I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you, Anders. A database of more than 70,000 products released in the previous 10 years, Product Explorer 2.0 is updated every day. You can use it to uncover acquisition targets, locate dormant projects you can restart, and create a data-driven launch strategy. Hey, hand waving. I enjoy developing straightforward side projects that benefit people. Nevertheless, I disagree with giving away things if you have nothing to sell. Thus, I've tried charging a little fee for access to my side projects like Newsletter Spy or Product Explorer in the past. It was successful, but I was never able to expand them to the point where they were making a sizable amount of money. It became clear that I needed to modify my strategy in order to advance in the game of entrepreneurship. I abstained from beginning side projects. However, now that I have a profitable firm, I am able to create helpful tools and make them freely available. I therefore entirely rebuilt Product Explorer and released it today, costing nothing this time. We appreciate any and all comments and support. Jakob. P.S. Some of you may recall that I recently sold Product Explorer to Andrew Gazdetsky. He asked me recently if I wanted to take over the project once more because he is unable to properly manage it. Happily, I replied, yes. All right, over to you, Anders.
Thanks for sharing this with us, Heidi. Have you ever wondered why it is so difficult to find an education that has true and very useful value when it comes to online marketing? Imagine that you want to tell someone something very important, something that was really hard to figure out but taught you a lot. You want to share this as a video on YouTube. The problem is that you have to create a lot of videos because it is very hard to draw people to the videos because of the competition. Let me tell you what happened to me. I have made a few videos where I do research to find out what's really going on with different platforms or web services. For example, I discovered something on Etsy and learned how difficult it is to make sales. And I'm talking extremely difficult. It is extremely rare to find people publishing real research and showing the data and the results. So here is what happened to me. I tried to post it on YouTube, but I couldn't get anyone to watch it. I got only a few visitors, but pretty quickly I got a comment and I got likes, but YouTube didn't seem to pick that up to rank my video on Etsy, on the keyword Etsy. So those of us who make content have to stick to what people want. And to be honest, a lot of people are just falling into traps set by online gurus. They want you to think it is easy to make money online, and typically a title would say how I make $199 in a day using blah blah blah. So it is like baiting people to watch that video. So these experts or gurus will try to sell you anything they can find. So what I did was I linked to my most important video, which is the Etsy video that I did in a lot of my videos. I don't do it anymore, but you can search for Etsy on my channel and you will find it. Alright, so how do I get paid for publishing videos on my YouTube channel? Basically, in every video that I publish, I talk about my solution that will allow me to quit my job and earn a passive income online. Well, passive isn't truly passive, but if I wanted, I could stop uploading for a couple of months and still make money. But I love making videos and recommend my solution to my audience. Maybe you want to join me on my journey and just push out videos and coach people so they can start their own online business. Then you should definitely tell your audience to try out this system. I have tested it for many years and it is absolutely worth checking out. It has the high-ticket products that I was talking about. Click the link in the description to find out what that is. If you don't want to sign up for my free video training, I have a red button on that page that will take you to one of the landing pages of the system that I use. There you have the opportunity to sign up for the high-ticket platform that I use. You will also get a personal coach who will help you out. I'm telling you, this is not an ordinary affiliate product. It is a full digital training portal with coaches and high-ticket products that are there to guide you and all the people you refer to that system. Most of the time, the high-ticket items pay out more than $1,000, but this only happens when you have been running your online business for a while, when your business starts to grow. As a beginner, you will see the low-ticket commissions more often before the high-ticket earnings. Anyway, I'm glad you watched this video. I do appreciate that you spent some time with me. Do click the like button if you learned something useful. This will help my YouTube channel get more visibility. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.